Hello, my crafty friends. It's Arva. Welcome back to my channel. I wanted to come on today to show you what I won from my crafty friend, Ebony, who is sharing more here on YouTube and on Instagram. I will, of course, leave links to Ebony's social media down in the description box below. But every month, Ebony hosts a giveaway here on YouTube called Sharing More Projects with Friends. And she posts a project and she actually prepares a kit. So she has all the goodies that are used to complete the project. And if you leave a comment and are a subscriber, your name goes in either on the wheel of names or the comment picker. Anyway, and she picks a person, and I happen to be the lucky person for this month. And I was so excited because Ebony always makes the prettiest cards, and she is, I mean, one of the best when it comes to creating stuff from Silhouette Cameo. She can find those files and make some of the prettiest cards and other goodies. So I know that if you're at this channel, you know who Ebony is. But anyway, I had to give my girl her due. She's awesome. So this is what Ebony sent me. I took it out of the package because it was in an envelope and I didn't want, even though she has her address listed in her description box, I just didn't want to put that on screen. So I took it out of the packaging. And here we have the Gal Meets Glam ephemera pack. And I'm so excited to get this because I actually have a few of the 6x6 of this paper pad. It's by My Mind's Eye. So thank you, Ebony. Oh, we have a card here. See, look how beautiful this card is. Look at this. It's an envelope, and the letter coming out says thanks, and then it has these flowers. Just really, really pretty. This is so beautiful. Hey, Arva, hope all is well. Congrats. Thank you for your support. Can't wait for our meetup. Enjoy your kit, your friend Ebony. In the next month or so, I'm going to meet up with Ebony. Ebony lives in the neighboring state of South Carolina, so I am so excited to finally get to meet her. I can't wait. I'm going to fangirl. I already know. You already know this is going to happen, right? I just can't wait, though. So then she included these nice wood stickers from Memento. They're heart stickers. Some say foiled with hearts and some are foiled with XO. Super cute. And here is the kit. And again, the title of those videos are Sharing More Projects with Friends. But trust me, you'll want to see all of Ebony's videos because they're all great. I'll take this out in just a second. Let me see. Oh, I love rub-ons. Rub-on transfers. These are the Valentine's. Say Happy Valentine's Day. Love you to the moon and back. Be mine. You, me, love. You and me. P.S. I love you. Envelopes. These are really, really cute. Can't wait to use those. And I will show you guys what this looks like. And then I am going to put it together. And then I will add a picture at the end to show you what it came together like. But you have the card bases, and this is a pop-up card. So this is the inside piece. And these are the pieces that mat. I remember this now. It's the peanut butter and jelly. We go together like peanut butter and jelly. Wow, look at this. I don't know. It says Kodak inkjet paper, but I have never seen photo paper that looks so glossy. I mean, these look like stickers that you would buy in a store. I really wish that I could get the camera to pick up the way that gloss is. It is beautiful. Just this alone helps me with my crafting because I would have never thought, and they're not, as you can tell, they're not thin at all. Really nice weight. Okay, Ebony, you're going to have to hook me up and tell me the actual specs on this paper. I see it's Kodak, but I know that they make all kinds of photo paper. I need this one. These are more layering pieces. And like I said, you guys, I will put it together and you will see a picture of it right after this video ends. Ebony, thank you so much. I really appreciate you, and I can't wait for our crafty meetup. All right, guys, take care. Bye.